everyone, welcome to the Blue Lakes program. My name is Ola and I'm a wildlife biologist with the Land Between. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the fascinating citizen science studies called Marine Macrophytes.
Macrophytes, or aquatic plants, are often overlooked despite their essential contributions to lake health and water quality. In fact, some landowners believe that they are weeds and should be removed. Meanwhile, they provide critical habitat for fish, produce oxygen, and serve as a food source for wildlife. Macrophytes can also prevent erosion and reduce runoff. In addition, the diversity and abundance of certain macrophyte species also indicates the health of the water. That is because some species are highly tolerant of pollution or toxins, while others are very sensitive to lower quality water and cannot survive. These more sensitive species, known as indicator species, help us assess the quality of the ecosystem they inhabit. Did you know that many of these native plants are also traditional native medicines or sources of spices and food? They make our lives and our lakes merry.
Now that we understand the importance of macrophytes, let's dive in. This interactive and engaging program allows you to learn about aquatic plants while contributing to larger scientific research and understanding the health of your own lake. Macrophytes are easily sampled and monitored, making them an ideal way to learn, get involved, and help care for your lake. In Marine Macrophytes, you'll help us explore the incredible world of aquatic plants and learn how they contribute to the health and integrity of our lakes.
Before we begin, let's go over the equipment you'll need for the Marine Macrophytes protocol. You'll need a clipboard, a pencil, an aquatic plant identification guide, the protocol, the data sheet, or a smartphone with the iNaturalist app and a working camera, a life jacket, a stopwatch, which you can use your phone for, a sun hat, sunscreen, bug spray, a towel, water shoes, and sunglasses. All set, let's dive in. Step 1. Print out your Marine Macrophytes protocol and aquatic plant identification guide. Print out your data sheet or use the iNaturalist app on your smartphone. If using iNaturalist, join the Land Between BioBlitz group. This app will record the species you find and assist in identification. Step 2. Travel to your nearest waterfront and walk along your shoreline to find a suitable survey starting location where macrophytes are present. Step 3. Choose a location that will become the destination year after year, and then choose 2 or 3 spots where you can take photos repeating the same angles and views each year. This includes one photo that is a landscape or wide-angle view of the shoreland from a determined distance to the shore, and at least one photo of the littoral zone or from the high mark to approximately 1 meter depth of the lake. Step 4. Take the determined photos. You will later upload them to the reporting form. Step 5. Once at the shore near the chosen destination for photographs, identify areas with macrophytes and start the timer for 30 minutes. Begin visually scanning for aquatic plants. Any macrophyte that is easily seen by the naked eye can be included in the survey. Walk along the shoreline, scanning the littoral, riparian, and upland zones for macrophytes. Record the data as you go. Step 6. When surveying the shoreline, enter the water only to a safe level. If the water depth exceeds knee height, make sure to wear a personal flotation device or a life jacket. Identify the macrophytes using the field guide or the iNaturalist app. Record the data and the number of times you observe the same species. Alternatively, you can take photos and upload them to iNaturalist for identification.
Congratulations! You have just completed a Marine Macrophytes citizen science study. Perhaps you have learned to identify different aquatic species that you will spot year after year and in different parts of your lake. It may be fun to search information about each plant to understand the different functions and qualities they have. For instance, they could attract different dragonflies and fish, or be a food source for other species. Your effort has contributed valuable data to supporting the health of your lake for years to come and to conservation overall. Remember, the Blue Lakes program offers a suite of tools and resources for you to use to learn, gain skills, and support lake health across Ontario. Thank you for joining us today and learning about the marvelous world of macrophytes. Get involved, explore your lake, and make a difference. Together, we can protect and preserve our precious water resources.